Got that cast iron vision, that's a kitchen premonition. Every pot is a trophy, every seasoning's tuition. Low and slow with the flavor, feel the vapors in the air now. Uncutting up, ain't nobody gotta care now. Hey! That's that unk level cooking, yeah, the whole block looking. That's that unk level cooking, unk level cooking.
You know, with the economy being what it is, you may find yourself in a situation where you're going to need to impress some beautiful woman or guy that you know. But your wallet tells you can't do that. I'm telling you can. So today, we're going to make Pappadeaux Mardi Gras pasta, which is $35.95 on menu. We're going to make it for $10. The only thing I need now is a beautiful woman to impress.
Hi, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss T. So, let's get it. All right, so we're gonna start with the shrimp, because I want them to marinate just a tad bit. We're gonna use olive oil. I left the tails on these because we fancy, and some of us are bougie. Why are you looking at me like that?
Because I get it from you.
Okay, that's
You the one that upkeep the lifestyle. You made me bougie.
Fair enough, fair enough. But
by example, y'all. By example only. Really bougie, man.
So we put a little bit of olive oil in here just so our seasoning sticks, and then we're going to start with the seasonings.
So how long do you let it marinate like that?
Well, we're not going to. It's just an olive oil right now. We're going to wait till we put the seasoning on it. We're going to let it sit back in the refrigerator for a little bit.
Okay. So what's this?
This is Louisiana crab boil.
Ooh.
Yeah.
So we're getting a crab boil out of the situation?
We want the flavor.
I mean, I like that. What about that one? What that one?
This one is some Paul Prudhomme Seafood Magic.
That sounds, again, bougie. All right. Right. Where can you find that?
At any grocery store.
Oh.
You can find this at Walmart.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
This ain't even that fancy.
It just sounded, you know. And what's this one?
This one is a little Creole seasoning. So slap your mama or Tony's when Tony's decide to pay me.
Let me stay out of that. But I do love the fact that Louisiana has made its way into my home. I love that.
Louisiana should be in everybody's home.
It really should be. Hold up, I got something. Hold up, wait. Louisiana, right in the home. Right in the home. Love that. All right, so you're doing a lot of that, but what are these?
This is onion powder and garlic powder.
And I'm assuming the white stuff is sugar?
Salt.
Why you gotta be like that? Why are you trying to embarrass me?
Who would put sugar?
Because it's your show? That's what you do? That's how you feel?
And so that's pretty much all we're gonna do. Just toss this around for a little bit and get it all married together.
Smell good already.
Yeah. And then if you would, put this in the refrigerator.
Absolutely, I will.
Thank you. So we're gonna leave that in the refrigerator for maybe 10 minutes. It doesn't really need much, but just so it gets a little bit in there. All right, change of plans. We're gonna start with the sausage. We're gonna use the sausage to flavor the shrimp. So we're going in with some Connechu sausage, the best sausage in the world. We don't need any oil because the sausage is gonna get us there.
It's gonna get wet by itself. I got you. I feel you.
Yeah.
That's good.
All right.
That's good.
I don't believe in cooking sausage without onions. So let's get these in here and mixed up. And in a few minutes.
Smells so good.
See?
That took 2 seconds. Wait a minute. Okay.
We're gonna keep it moving so it doesn't burn up.
You don't want it to brown just a little bit?
I want a little char on the sausage.
Okay.
But I don't want it to. I don't want it crunchy.
I like mine dark and crunchy. I don't know. We all have our preferences, though.
Yeah.
Live and let live, you know?
We do. Sometimes I prefer a little light skin.
That's crazy. That's crazy, you know?
All right.
That smells amazing.
We just getting started. This dish is awesome. All right. All right, so we're gonna let this keep going and then we'll come back in a few minutes. All right, you can see the sausage is ready. And we got a little bit of fond in the bottom of the pot. Don't worry about that. We're gonna keep using it, all right?
Ladies, we do like a sausage ready, don't we? Absolutely.
All right.
It looks so juicy.
Mm-hmm.
Succulent, like it.
All right, we're gonna leave a little bit of that juice and, well, grease from the sausage into here. Can you please hand me the shrimp, please?
Absolutely.
Thank you. All right. Again, we're using the grease from the best sausage in the world, Connechu, to help flavor the shrimp. Now, these are Gulf shrimp because that's the only place you should get your shrimp. It's a Southern boy, Louisiana, Alabama thing. Gulf Coast, if you will. These aren't going to take but a hot second, so do not go anywhere.
So you can overcook them. Is what
You
you're
can
saying.
overcook these quick as hell.
Got it, got it.
By the time you get all of these in the pot, you should start flipping over the first one that you put in the pot. That's how fast this is gonna go.
Got you. And which one did you put in first?
I started over here and I went in the circular pattern.
I like that. Yeah, pay attention.
Details are important.
Absolutely. They make a story.
Now, I'm gonna use a little bit of that juice
Ooh.
because you'll see in a minute. We're gonna take all of the flavor in here and we're gonna add it to those onions and bell peppers and stuff.
Got it, got it.
All right, so I'm gonna keep flipping this and we'll be back. Like I said, it's been what, like 2, maybe 3 minutes?
If that, genuinely.
Yeah. When you look at them, when you put them in, they're translucent.
Now they're
And-
like a pretty little peach color.
Right, see how, and then they got a little thick. Ain't nothing wrong with a little thick.
Really?
Everybody like a little thick.
Absolutely.
That one needs to sit there a little bit, so a little bit more. Let's flip him back over.
He got it smelling like juicy crab up in here, y'all.
All right, so we're gonna take this fond that we made in the bottom of the pot. We're gonna start with our bell peppers. I'm using a yellow and a red bell pepper. That's about half of each.
It's so pretty.
We're also gonna throw in a bunch of mushrooms because someone likes mushrooms.
Someone likes mushrooms. Absolutely. This is
A
fun, fun
tablespoon
guy.
of butter. And why don't you go and hit me with about a cup of wine?
All right, you tell me when, okay?
All right, that'll do it.
Sounds like we're gonna get drunk from food, guys.
When that wine starts to cool, calm down that fizzle, that wine is gonna cook off, and it's gonna help pick up all the rest of those juices and the little burnt ends and all that.
Ooh. So it's gonna bring in all the flavors.
It's gonna bring it all in,
here. Okay.
and then the alcohol in the wine is gonna burn off.
And do we have garlic?
We do have garlic.
Okay.
We're gonna put the garlic in after these have softened up a little bit because garlic burns real quick.
Absolutely.
All right.
Got it.
So we're gonna let this cook down a tad bit, and then we're gonna start combining the things. So the garlic that you asked about, now that these have softened up a little bit, and that wine's reduced, now we go in with the garlic. This is 4 cloves of garlic.
Ooh. The aroma. We love garlic.
Yeah, you can't have too much.
Cannot.
All right. Now I'm just gonna keep this moving around until I can smell the garlic. When I start smelling the garlic, we're gonna get into some other stuff. All right, I kind of smelled a little bit.
I don't smell anything.
You don't smell it? Put your head in
I
there.
don't know about that now. I can smell a hint of it.
right.
So we just want a hint?
Yeah.
Nothing too heavy.
Because I don't want it to cook all the way right here. I want it to cook with everything else too.
Okay, that makes more sense.
All right. So
Okay.
this is a cheap can of crushed tomatoes.
We like affordability, guys.
Yes.
That's what this is for.
We trying to go from $35 to $10. Yeah.
Boom.
All right. Now we're gonna mix this in. Yeah. You can hear how I quiet it down again. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So we're gonna let this simmer as well.
We're gonna let this simmer. We're gonna let this reduce and thicken up a little bit.
Not you got the sauce on me. That's wild.
Hey, sometimes it just bladder.
Where's the manners?
Hey.
Come on now. Right on?
Hey.
Right on.
Gotta get it where you can get it at.
Some guys aren't good at aiming, you know.
And some hit their mark every time. All right, we're gonna let this reduce and we're gonna calm down a little bit. And then we'll be back. All right, so all of these vegetables have calmed down and relaxed and gave up on all of it. So we're gonna add in our heavy whipping cream.
How much we added?
This is about half of a pint.
All right.
We're gonna mix this up.
And then what are we doing after that?
After that, we're just combining everything. So we're gonna put the shrimp, the crawfish, and the sausage back in. And we're gonna pour it with pasta and mix it up. So
It's almost
we're just gonna stir this until We're just gonna stir this until the heavy whipping cream kind of comes together.
Got it.
And then we'll add everything together. And then we're done. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And we'll be back and you get to eat.
I get to eat. So y'all, this is the beauty. This is her, right? And he said he was making a $35 meal, right? For $10. For who?
For you.
For whom? Right. So this is exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get a nice savory, you know.
Let's have some sausage on
I
there. You like sausage?
I know what I'm gonna do. You don't have to tell me exactly what to do. I can do what I want to do. I'm gonna get some sausage and some crawfish because we like variety. Huh?
I guess I don't even need this book. I'm gonna leave that because I ain't got to eat.
No, you're not. You're not. Wow.
So is it approved?
It's beyond approved.
Y'all know
Thank you so much. Wow.
Y'all know ain't nothing else I'm gonna say.
Wow.
Play the music, man.
Man, you know what? What music? It's already saying. It's already going. What you talking about? Music. We got music.
Level cook.